I am author Janay Anderson. Do you know what an author is? It is a person who wrote a book. And I am so excited to be sharing the book that I wrote called I Love My Curls. I Love My Curls is a book about friends just like you who are young children learning the world and how to love themselves. Sometimes we don't like everything about ourselves. We may not like our hair. We may not like that we're short. We may not like that we are good artists. Or we wish we could play an instrument, but we can't. And sometimes we see people on TV or in magazines, or we may know someone and we want to change ourselves and to be like someone other than ourselves. So this book is to encourage you to love yourself. And this little girl loves herself and she loves her curls. So let's get into the story. I Love My Curls by Janay Anderson. Book dedication. This book is dedicated with love to my daughters, Midori and Devlin, the miracles of my life. This book is also heartfully dedicated to Keelan in London. Continue to shine and fill the world with glitter. For the curly-headed girls, let this book serve as a reminder of how amazing you are. Just open this book and remember that you are magic. And that goes for the curly-headed boys as well. We start the book with an affirmation. An affirmation is a group of words that we put together and we keep saying it until we believe that we are great or that we can do whatever it is that we set our minds to. Here, rocking my curls. It is such a great thing to appreciate and love curly hair. So we're going to start with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to my curls, though they may be different from other boys and girls. They twist, they move, or hold in place. My curls look great above my face. My mind and heart will change the world. I'm proud to say, I love my curls. My hair, oh my curly hair. I love how it grows up and down and left to right. Oh, what a beautiful curly, coily sight. She loves her curly, coily hair. It goes round and round, and it grows from left to right. My curls twist round and round in loopy-loop. Twisty-turny as I go about. Her curls are loopy-loo and twisty, and she's imagining she is sliding round and round and down her curls like a slide at the playground. How fun! I love my curls the most when they are wild and free, blowing in the wind like the leaves of a sycamore tree. So she's just imagining all of the wonderful things her curly hair can do and what she loves about her curls. And one of her favorite things is to wear her hair down and free and let the wind blow through it like the leaves of a sycamore tree. How do you like to wear your hair, friends? There are so many ways I can wear my hair. I can wear it up in one Afro puff or two. I can style my hair in bantu knots, through and through. A pretty bun, like me, like her, or two-strand twist. You see here in the corner? Look at all the amazing hairstyles. Curly hair can do so much. It's so versatile. So I can wear my hair in two-strand twist and cornrows adored with beads and barrettes. So she has her hair styled in cornrows, beads and barrettes, and bows. Wearing my curls in an afro is as good as it gets. Look how proud she is of her curls. And wearing her hair in an afro, she reminds me of a superhero. Look at that stance. Supergirl with super curls. I love my curls the most when they are wild and free, blowing in the wind like the leaves of a sycamore tree. And that is the end of the very short story. And then the book goes on for you friends and your mommies and daddies and grandparents to learn about curly hair, how to wash it, what products to use, how to comb it to keep it beautiful and healthy, and to help you come up with some hairstyles that you can wear your hair in to keep your curls beautiful. So now we're going to read a few more affirmations. Here's a positive affirmation. Friends, say this out loud with me. My curls are magical. Can you say that? Oh, I hear you. Good job, friends. Can you say, my curls are beautiful and so am I? My hair makes me free to be me. And my hair is the most magical hair on the planet. Like me, it can do anything. Absolutely. Curls are my superpower. This reminds me of the page where she's standing like a superhero with her hair styled in an afro. What runs the world? Curls. She's so proud of her curls, and she says these affirmations every day. That's why she loves her curls so much. And last but not least, the last positive affirmation is, my hair is as stylish and special as I am in the inside. Can you say that? You're special, just the way you are. And learn to love yourself, just like the little girl does in the book. Thank you for listening to me read aloud. I love my curls. Thank you for inviting me, Miss C, and the Behavioral Bubble. This was such fun. Bye, friends.